let's start the assembly. So, all right, we have 3 legs here, and we have 2 connecting brackets and the frame. So we'll go ahead and get this assembled. So interesting, the reviews I saw before use screws. This one is like a snap and groove. I don't know if you can see this. It's just like a little snap that just connects in place, snap and groove. All right, so let's take a look here. So we just connect these little brackets like so, push the little, and it snaps in place just like that. Then we connect a piece of the frame with the screws. It has grooves on the top. Those go on top. Slides right in like this. Snaps in place. See that? All right, so that's 1 leg. You do that times 3 to complete the frame connection. We'll continue. So we got all 3 of these connected. Now let's connect the whole frame to make the base. It says assemble this on a flat surface, so we're just doing it here on the floor. Okay, this is the frame, fully assembled with the 3 legs. Again, no screws. Just snap and groove and fit in place. I noticed that some of the frame is not all snug. It seems like it doesn't tightly seal. So for safety reasons, it seems like the some type of other fastener might be better. Well, we'll see once we get the springs and everything and how sturdy it feels. We'll continue. Make sure the opening is kind of near the pole here on the mat. Align those, and then take the spring, apply it down into the hole there, and then connect it to the mat. There we go. So we'll continue. Okay, I have connected the springs to the end connector first. Now it says connect to the middle of each leg. So the middle between each connector. And then after that you can just finish applying the remainder of the springs. So here we go. Okay, all of the springs are in place. So the next step is to connect the mat properly to the frame. It has a few ties on it and it has holes that fit over the connecting bracket. Next, so let's get at it. Okay, the next step is to connect the foam post here to the frame. Each piece has a little knob or that connects to a snap and groove type of thing. So we'll connect them to the poles. Again, no hardware, just this connected to the frame that has a little hole for the pin. Okay, we got all of the poles installed and the caps on the poles. The next step is to install the net. Okay, so here's the net. The zipper goes to the outside. You have these little elastic bands that go over each one of the poles. So you want to kind of align it with each pole. And again, the zipper will be facing to the outside. Now, these little connectors right here, they connect underneath the trampoline. Let's see if we can tilt it up. They connect to the V-ring here underneath the trampoline. All right, there you have it. The trampoline is completely assembled. For the most part, the assembly was fine. There were a few parts that were a little bit misfit. It was hard to connect, but it did connect. So again, I purchased this product from Amazon.com. I paid $140 for this trampoline. It's a LangXun 5-foot trampoline with enclosure and safety net. It can hold up to 220 pounds under warranty. The spring tension is supposed to accommodate 330 pounds, however, max load.